Hey, my name is Jimmy, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Sony Alpha Series camera as a high-end webcam that you can use in your next live stream, all without a capture card. Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Jimmy, and welcome to the Elphazor gaming channel, where you'll find tutorials, tips and tricks to level up your stream. For those of you who don't know me, I've been a motion designer and a creative professional for over 15 years. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button to see more helpful videos like this in the future. In today's video, I will show you how to use your Sony A-series camera as a webcam, all without the need of a capture card. Now you're probably thinking, why would I use my mirrorless or DSLR as a webcam? My webcam works just fine. Well, we've broken it down into 3 reasons. Reason number 1, the ability to fine-tune your video settings. Webcams can be limited when it comes to tweaking the settings to get the right look. With the mirrorless or DSLR camera, these controls can be easily adjusted, resulting in a higher image quality. Reason number 2, resolution. A mirrorless or DSLR camera allows you to record video at a higher resolution than your webcam. As a result, you get a better image with more detail, making it more visually appealing. Reason number 3, the ability to use photography lenses. This allows you to get that cinematic look with the shallow depth of field. This gives you the blurry background look so many people are looking for. Alright, so what will you need to turn your Sony camera into a webcam? Sony Imaging Edge desktop software. In particular, we'll be using the remote software, which is a part of the Imaging Edge desktop software package. I will leave a link in the description below so you can download it yourself. The remote software works with both PC and Mac. A Sony camera. To see if your camera is compatible, refer to the link in the description below. Number 3, a micro USB cable that is data enabled. The one that came with your camera should work fine. I will leave a link in the description below to the one I currently use since it's longer than the one included. Lastly, you'll need OBS Studio or Streamlabs OBS. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below if you don't have either. Okay, so the first thing you'll need to do is to go into the menu of your camera and change your USB connection setting to use remote. Next, grab your micro USB cable and connect the smaller end of the cable to the charging port of your camera. Then connect the other end of the cable to your laptop or PC. Once you have everything connected, you'll need to power on your camera. Okay, so next we'll jump into our PC and open up the Sony Imaging Edge software. Once you have it open, you'll want to click Start for the remote software. So once inside remote, you should see your camera on the list. If you don't, make sure the power on your camera is on, or try another cable. If the cable is not data enabled, it may not work, so be sure to check it. So let's go ahead and double click on the camera here. Alright, so with everything connected, you now have the ability to change things like the ISO, the shutter speed, or the aperture right through the remote interface. You can even turn the autofocus on and off. So go ahead and be sure to play with the settings to see which ones work best for you and your camera. So now that we have everything working here, let's go ahead and jump into OBS Studio. Okay, so the first thing we'll want to do is go to Source, and we'll hit this plus sign, and we're gonna hit Window Capture, or select Window Capture from the drop down. And then we're gonna call it Sony Camera, and hit OK. And you'll just want to make sure in the window drop down that you have a remote selected. We have it selected already, so we're gonna go ahead and hit OK. Alright, so I've got this in the upper left here, and it may be getting blocked in the actual recording, so I'm gonna go ahead and scale this down a bit. So the next thing you're gonna want to do is let's crop out the unwanted interface. So To do that, you want to hit Alt or hold Alt on your keyboard and pull some of these bounding boxes until you've cropped everything out. So let's go ahead and crop the bottom a bit and the top here, and it looks like the left side is okay. And then you can place the image wherever you like, you know, either on this side or this side, but we'll leave it on this side just because that looks the best. So you may notice that your frame rates may be lower than you would expect. This is one of the drawbacks from using the remote software versus a capture card. You don't get that high frame rate like you would with a capture card. Nonetheless, it's a good budget-friendly option if you can't get your hands on a capture card during, you know, this pandemic, since most places are sold out, or, you know, people have jacked up the prices because of the high demand. So there you have it. You've successfully turned your Sony camera into a webcam that you can use in your next stream or your next video conference call. Hey, if you found value in this video, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel to see more helpful videos like this. Question for you: what camera are you using in your live stream? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.